Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you will see how to crochet 3D trim. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of cotton yarn. Let's begin the work. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My foundation chain is ready. Then chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain stitch away from the hook. Make double crochet and make double crochet into each chain stitch of the foundation chain till the end of this row. Pattern consists of 4 stitches. So for pattern I am using 16 stitches plus 1 stitch for more beautiful look, and so on. I am done the first row. I continue working on my pattern. This is preparation row. In your case it could be single crochet or main pattern. Now I show you how to crochet my trim. So let's crochet the trim. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn, then chain of 3. For the chain space, yarn over the hook, turn the work. I skip the first stitch. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch, make double crochet. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch, make double crochet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch, make double crochet. Insert the hook into the... In your case, your row could be longer than mine. Chain of 3, yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch. This is the chain stitch that I did at the beginning of the previous row. Make double crochet. My first row of the pattern is ready. This is the first row of the trim. Let's crochet the second row. For this 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, then turn the work. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch. Well done. Then chain of 2 and turn the work. Work into the chain space. Make different all stitches. Make 7 double crochet into the chain space. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Turn the work. Work into the around the stitch. So I'm going to work with this stitch. Make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the double crochet. Make a slip stitch. My 3D trim is ready. Here how it looks. Let's repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch, 1, 2 chains, turn the work and work into the chain space, make 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over the hook and work with the stitch that I did in the lower row. Work with 5 double crochet. Let's count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work and make a slip stitch into the stitch that I did before. So my second trim is done. Here how it looks. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I remind you, in your case it could be shorter or longer. Then I will show you how to complete this row. Let's make the last trim. As I did before, make a chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. I insert the hook into the 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain stitch from the bottom. Make a slip stitch, chain of 2, and turn the work. Make 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn the work. Make 5 double crochet around the stitch that I did in the lower row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch, make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain, and my trim is ready. Here how it looks. I remind you, this is the simple and cute in the same time. I made it in 3D style. So that's it, my trim is ready. It consists of only 4 stitches and has 2 rows. One of them is row of chain spaces and double crochet stitches, and the second one is just double crochet stitches. Here how it looks. For example, I have made exact trim but more longer. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. The link on this flower could be found in the description of this video tutorial. You can use both of them or create a small set. I did petals in the same style, and here how they look like in my flower. Don't be afraid to experiment, please use your imagination to create your own project. See you next time and good luck at crocheting. Bye!